Look at these two. Like two peas in a pod. Remember they were making that tennis video that one time? They're waiting for dinner. I'm almost done trapping. I didn't get nobody. I just think these two, they were in that little house together too. Ain't they some little black brothers? And oh, you can't see that. And there's their other brother. The sister's off playing, so I guess you'll come when I call for dinner. I know they're not doing anything, but I just think the two black ones are cute, the way they're kind of close. And they've both been fixed, and now they get to just be buds without a bunch of competition and whatnot. All right, thanks for watching.